To enable a Wealthfront traditional IRA, start by understanding what a traditional IRA is. A traditional IRA is a type of individual retirement account that allows you to contribute pre-tax dollars, reducing your taxable income for the year. The money grows tax-deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes until you withdraw the funds in retirement. First, you need to create a Wealthfront account if you haven't already. Go to the Wealthfront website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the registration form with your personal and financial information. Once you've created your account, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can view your portfolio and account settings. Next, navigate to the Account Types section and select Traditional IRA. You'll be asked to provide some additional information, including your Social Security number and employment status. This information is required to determine your eligibility to contribute to a traditional IRA. After you've provided the necessary information, you'll be shown the contribution limits for the current year. The IRS sets these limits, and they may change from year to year. For the current year, the contribution limit is a certain amount, and if you're 50 or older, you may be eligible to make an additional catch-up contribution. Once you've reviewed the contribution limits, you can set up your contributions. You can choose to make a one-time contribution or set up recurring contributions from your linked bank account. Wealthfront also offers a feature called tax loss harvesting, which can help reduce your tax liability by selling securities that have declined in value and using the losses to offset gains from other investments. Finally, review and confirm your traditional IRA settings. Make sure you understand the fees associated with your account, as well as the investment portfolio that Wealthfront will create for you. Wealthfront offers a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds, which can help you achieve your long-term investment goals. By following these steps, you can enable a Wealthfront traditional IRA and start saving for your retirement. Remember to review and adjust your contributions regularly to ensure you're on track to meet your retirement goals. It's also a good idea to consult with a financial advisor or tax professional to determine the best retirement savings strategy for your individual circumstances.